What's going on with the truckers? Have you ever actually been cut off by a state trooper or police officer? I mean, all I'm saying is, everybody wants to give truck drivers tickets, but once in a while, and I know police officers do a good job, but at times, somebody has to give them a ticket. Felipe got this on his dash cam. I'm showing you guys this. It just happened moments ago in Michigan. It was a little bit foggy. He says this truck is going full speed at 65 miles an hour, and the state trooper is just there waiting to give someone a ticket. I understand you're doing your job, but please do not pull out right in front of a semi truck. That's how you're not here anymore. We don't want that to happen to you. And mother truckers, let's be honest. If the truck driver didn't have a dash cam footage or this four-wheeler didn't have one, and this car, police state trooper pulls out and the truck driver hits him, I guarantee they will pin it on the truck drivers. So make sure you have a dash cam at all times. You never know when situations like this will happen. And I'm just glad the truck driver was okay. And honestly, I always say it's a four-wheeler. But in this situation, thank you, four-wheeler, for having this dash cam and posting this just to help out this truck drivers. There's good people everywhere. State trooper, be better. Don't pull out, especially at the very last moment. That's a dumb move. Hello, McFly. I don't know if you guys know that reference, but yeah.
Hello?
All right.
Hello?
Mother truckers, comment down below. Thanks, four-wheeler, on this one.